I did a nonprofit internship with Project Scientist, which is a summer camp for girls. So we developed a study. We track these girls from the beginning of the camp that they come in. We have them draw what they think a scientist looks like. So oftentimes they draw a male figure in a scientist lab coat with some lab goggles, and then we track them while they're at the camp and see what kind of transformation happens. In the middle of the camp, they'll usually draw a scientist that might be female, but at the end of the camp, they draw themselves as a scientist because they're finally seeing that they are the ones that can do it.
And I did that with Greenpeace and a labor union for fast food workers here in Charlotte. And so I split time doing both actually, and it was really cool. Very practical experience. One which is more kind of a grassroots organization, and the other was an international organization with a chapter here in Charlotte. And I could see how social organizing and movements worked in both contexts.
I worked at the Salvation Army in the free clinic associated with the shelter. It's called Shelter Health Services. I was a CNA at the time, so I did mostly CNA work, and it was great because I got clinical experience. I had blood pressures, vital signs, figuring out what's wrong, education. But it also gave me the experience to see how the administrative portion goes. So I was doing budget work, grant writing. But it did give me a new appreciation for how nonprofits work. And then I ended up going to the Dominican Republic, which was very eye-opening. We went to different villages every day, and the people would just line up and get the treatment that they needed.